Yeah, today we will start practice set 1.3 first sum. See here there is a triangle is given. Here the angle ABC is equal to 75 degree and angle EDC also 75 degree. Now we have to check which of these two triangles are similar. Okay, now first we will see what are given, we will see. Okay, now in triangle DCE and triangle BCA, okay, this triangle DCE and BCA, these two triangles we are going to take. Okay, now what is given? Angle CDE is congruent to, see, angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA. Why? Each 75 degree. Both the triangles are having one angle having measure 75 degree. So those two angles are congruent. Now again DCE is congruent to BCA. Now look at this. In this triangle C is an angle, and again in this triangle also C is an angle. That means it is a common angle. So since this angle is common to both the triangles, they are congruent. So common angle. Now look at this. We have taken this triangle, smaller one and the bigger one. In these two triangles, if you see, two angles are congruent to two angles of the second triangle. That means by AA test of similarity, what is the meaning of AA test of similarity? If two angles of one triangle is congruent to corresponding two angles of the second triangle, then two triangles are said to be similar by AA test. We might have studied AAA test, but here we are quoting AA test. Why? Because if two angles of first triangle is congruent to corresponding two angles of the second triangle, naturally the third angle will also be congruent. Okay, therefore triangle DCE is similar to triangle BCA. That's all. Now next one. Second sum we will see. PQR, this is 10, 6, 8 and smaller one L, M, N, 3, 5 and 4. Now look at this. If two triangles are similar, we have to prove AA test of similarity or SAS test of similarity or SSS test of similarity. Here no angles are given, so we cannot use AAA test and SAS test. So what is left out? The final one, SSS test of similarity. SSS test of similarity means what? The corresponding three sides of one triangle should be in proportion to the corresponding sides of the second triangle. If the proportions are same, then we can say these two triangles are similar. So first we will see the proportion. Now PQ upon LM equal to 6 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 1. Similarly, PR upon LN is equal to 10 upon 5 equal to 2 upon 1. Third, QR upon Mn equal to 8 upon 4 equal to 2 upon 1. Look at this. All these sides are having equal proportion. Therefore, in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, what we got? See these three. PQ upon LM equal to QR upon Mn equal to PR upon Ln. So what does it mean? Therefore, by SSS test of similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. Followed? This is simple. Now third one we will see. Now look at this here. We kept one pole PR here having the height 4. The another pole is there AC of height 8. Now what happened? See, we have to find out. See here, this pole PR with height 4 is casting a shadow of length 6. Now here we have put another pole. What is the height? 8. So what will be the length of the shadow it cast? You have to find out. That is the sum. Now here solution. Here PR and AC are two poles. Okay, they had given these two are the poles. Okay, what about their shadows? QR and BC are respective shadows. Okay, now we know the length of the shadow cast by the smaller pole, that is 6. Okay, now listen very carefully. You are knowing the result that at the same time, if you take the shadow will cast at same proportion. Therefore, since shadow are cast at the same time, what will happen? These two triangles are PRQ, sorry, PQR is similar to triangle ABC. If anything you take poles and all, okay, then the shadows are casting at the same time. Therefore, this triangle and this triangle will always be similar. Similar means what? See here, similar means what? PR. Therefore, PR upon AC equal to QR upon BC equal to PQ upon AB. But this we don't want. Okay, we want these two only. Okay, now what is PR? 4. PR is 4. You substitute the values. Similarly, corresponding to PR, what is there? 8. QR is 6. This is X. So you take X here. Therefore, X equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. So 12. Okay, so what is x actually? The length of shadow cast by the bigger pole. Therefore, the length of shadow cast by bigger pole is 12 units. Here everywhere they are given meter. So meter. Understand? Okay. Now this is important sum. Next one. Fourth sum. A, B, C, P, Q. Now, given. First I will write given things, okay? AP equal to 7, BQ equal to 8, BC equal to 12, find AC. Okay. Now solution. Now we will consider two triangles CPA and CQB. See here, CPA, this triangle, and another triangle CQB. These two triangles we are going to consider, right? In these two triangles, you see, what is the first triangle? CPA. CPA. What is the angle? 90 degree. And in CQB, what is Q? 90 degree. Therefore, one angle is congruent. Therefore, angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Why? Each 90 degree. Okay. So, now one angle congruent. Now, we will try to find out one more angle. If two angles are congruent with the second triangle, then which test we can apply? AA test of similarity. So, we will try to find out another angle. Now, look at this angle. See, CPA. In this triangle, C is one of the angle. Similarly, CQB also the same angle is there. That means, C is the angle which is common to triangle CPA and CQB. So, our purpose is solved. Therefore, ACP is congruent to BCQ, common angle. That means what? We can apply easily AA test of similarity. Therefore, by AA test of similarity, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. So, we proved CPA and CQB are similar. Once it is similar, what we can write? Their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AP upon PQ equal to AC upon BC. Why? Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Now I tell you what we did, very simple. this angle is congruent to this angle. So we have got one angle congruent. Then we try to find out one more angle which are congruent to both the triangle. So we got this because C is common to both this triangle and this triangle. So we have got two angles are congruent to two angles of the second triangle. Therefore, by applying AA test of similarity, triangle CPA and CQB are congruent. Similar. So what we did? We are applying the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion property. Okay. Now, what is AP 7 upon 8 equal to AC upon 12? So, 7 into 12 upon 8 equal to AC. 21 upon 2 equal to AC. Therefore, AC equal to 10.5. This is the answer. Okay. Simple. Now, next one we will see. So, there is a trapezium. Okay. First of all, we will write in trapezium means what? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. So, solution. What is given? Side AB is parallel to side DC. Okay. So, now listen very carefully. If you do like that, see here very careful here. AB is one line, CD is another line, and what happened to DB? This is a transversal. Therefore, line DB is a transversal. Okay. So, now what happened to this one and this one? You tell me which angles they are. Which angles they are? They are alternate angles. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the alternate angles are congruent. Therefore, angle CDB is congruent to angle ABD. Reason is what? Alternate angle. Okay. Now, we will take two triangles. In triangle COD and AOB. See, we are taking COD and AOB. Okay. Now, what happened to these two angles? You tell me whether they are congruent. Yes, they are congruent because these two are vertically opposite angle. So, we will write angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angle. See, now look at this. In this triangle, one angle and second angle AA, angle of one triangle is congruent to angle of the second triangle. Therefore, by AA test of similarity, triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. That's all. Okay. So corresponding sides, what happens? CD upon AB, CD upon AB equal to CO upon AO equal to OD upon OB. Okay. Now whatever given, that we will write OD upon OB and DC upon AB. These two we will take. This is not required. Okay. So CD upon AB equal to OD upon OB. What are given, we will write OD. So what is CD? Check it up. 6. CD is 6 upon AB is how much? 20 equal to OD upon 15. So we will take it here. 6 into 15 upon 20 is equal to OD. Nine upon 2 is equal to OD. Therefore, 4.5 equal to OD. So got it here. Now I will explain again. Here what we have done is, we have proved these two triangles are similar by using AA test of similarity. So for that, what we used, first one, these two lines are parallel and we have taken DB as a transversal. So this angle and this angle are congruent by using alternate angle theorem. Second one, this angle and this angle both are congruent. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by using AA test of similarity. So once they are similar, we can use corresponding sides of, but we have to write corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Here you have to write corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Therefore, we have taken this and whatever is given, we have made substitution, we got the answer. Now one more. This is very important. What is given? First we will write AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. To prove, what to prove? Triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. CABP, this triangle should be congruent to, similar to that triangle we are going to prove. Now proof, it is very simple. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP. Okay. Now what is given to you? AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. See here, AP upon BP, this side. These two, AP upon CP, these two sides are in proportion and these two sides are in proportion. That means what actually? These two angles are vertically opposite angle given. Angle ABP is congruent to angle CPD. Now look at this. Yes, this is side angle, side of one triangle is congruent to side angle, side of the second triangle. Therefore, by SAS test of similarity, these two triangles are similar. That's all. Followed? What we did? See, this side is in proportion with this side, and this side is in proportion with this side, and these two angles are congruent. So, which test is suitable here? Side angle, side of first triangle is in proportion with side angle and side of the second triangle. Therefore, very well you can use SAS test of similarity to prove that these two triangles are similar. That's all.